Hey everyone, it's Rachel here with Backyard Blossoms. Just starting the week out this week, I was thinking about all the things that I need to get accomplished this week as far as flowers are concerned. This week is a big week for flowers. I have the flower stand that I need to do about 8 arrangements for. Depending on how sales were last week, we're going to have to adjust it maybe a little bit more. We'll see how it goes. I have 2 funeral arrangements. One is pretty large. I've got the stuff right here in this box, so we're going to open it together. You'll see my plan. It's going to be amazing. And then another one is just a smaller arrangement to deliver to a funeral home this week. And then I have some birthday flowers and retirement flowers, so it's going to be a busy week again with flowers. So let's open this box and I'll tell you about the funeral arrangement. This arrangement is going to be so cool. This gentleman was the dad of a friend of mine. He loved fishing and he was a Navy man. He was a really sweet guy too. So our plan is to do an old-fashioned style basket. This is a fishing basket. And what we're going to do is we're going to kind of pin this basket up so it kind of sits to the side a little bit, this lid here. And then we're going to fill this bottom with cellophane and some floral foam. And what we're going to do with it, we're going to have some fern leaves kind of spraying out of it, definitely some wildflowers and a few other things that we're going to do in it. I think we're going to do white roses. And then I have a surprise for her. She doesn't know this, but I'm going to add this to the arrangement. Since this gentleman loved fishing, I was able to find 2 fish. They're decorative fish. And we're going to attach them and put them inside the arrangement. Maybe I should get it out of the bag so you can see. But it's really going to just put this piece to life. So we're going to have it just kind of hidden in the flowers so they're coming out. My dad makes some really cool crappie jigs and fishing jigs, so I thought maybe I could talk to him and maybe have like a jig or something with no pointy part on it, and then maybe that could go into the mouth of the fish too. So that will add some really cool unique features to the arrangement. So I've got a few other things that I have to get as far as supplies are for this project. So I'm going to go to the store, grab the supplies, and then we'll make the flowers later in the week. All right, it is finally Flower Friday. We are loaded up. I didn't really videotape all of the bouquet arranging because it's about the same thing that I've done in the last few videos. So if you're wanting a video on how to put together a market bouquet or like a glass jar posy arrangement, check out those other videos. I'll link them down in the description box below. But basically what we're gonna do is we're going to drop off all of the subscription bouquets. We're gonna load up the flower stand today, drop off a couple more bouquets for other special orders, especially this gorgeous one right there. That is the size of 4 market bouquets together. It's for a graduation tonight. I've got a few customers to meet up today, and then tonight I'm going to start working on that big fishing themed funeral arrangement, so I will videotape that so you can see how that all comes together. But let's go drop off these flowers. All right, guys, so I finished my final delivery, but do you see what's there on the side of the road? Those are daisies. The lady that ordered the funeral arrangement, she requested daisies and I couldn't find any. I found something that was similar with mums that looked like daisies. So I went and I foraged and I got some daisies for her on the side of the road. So they are hydrating in my extra flower bucket. So let's go home and make the arrangement. All right, so you saw me fill the bowl with water, add some flour food, and then I put the foam in there to soak. I let it soak for a good time, and then I added it to this plastic Mylar lined basket, so it's not going to drip or anything. If it dries out, I can add more water to it, and it's all going to stay inside the basket and not drip. It's going to add a really good hydration for our flowers in our arrangement. So it's also added a really good weight to the bottom, so it's not going to tip over or anything like that. You did see me pull apart some cattails, and those are fake ones that I did get at Hobby Lobby. I was hoping to find some dried cattails or something, and I did not find that. So we're going to have to cover the metal tips with flower tape. right, so we have the car cooled off. The arrangement is done. It's in the back. We're gonna head over to my friend's house and deliver it to her before the funeral. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.